Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can delete your TikTok account permanently. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First and foremost, what you need to do is just go ahead and open the TikTok. After you open your TikTok on your profile, you can see the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the three lines on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it and go to settings and privacy. After that, you can see account on the top. Go ahead and tap on account and then you can see the deactivate or delete account option. Go ahead and tap on it. If you want to deactivate your account, you can do that, but we are going to delete our account. So you can see that your account and content will be deleted permanently, and you may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So within 30 days, if you try to log into your account, you will get your account back. But after 30 days, you have still not logged into your account, then it will be deleted. So just go ahead and tap on delete account permanently. You can select any of these and tap on continue. After that, you can click on this tick mark and tap on continue once again. So after this, go ahead and tap on continue, wait for a while, and a 6-digit code will be sent to your email. So go ahead and go to the email registered with your account. So go ahead and select the email, go ahead and copy the code. So if the code is not here, there might be some problems. Go ahead and check it, copy the code, paste the code over here, and after it's done, go ahead and tap on delete account. And this way you can easily delete your TikTok account. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.